My name's Nick. I'm from Kaelus. The purpose of this video is to assist field personnel with the installation of our combiners, in particular the ones that use the DC switch. The first step is to unpack and identify all of the materials in the box. In each box you should find the combiner itself, an installation guide, mounting hardware, and a small packet containing the jumper pins which are used to configure the DC pass option. If you look at the front of the combiner, you will see a DC switch configuration guide drawing showing the correct DC jumper pins to install for your application. This is also shown on the installation guide. To configure the combiner for DC pass, first unscrew the weather cap from the DC switch socket. This will be reinstalled when the configuration is complete. Then, based on the drawing guide, insert the proper color-coded pin into the color-coded DC switch socket. To allow DC or AISG to pass from the low band port to the common port, insert the yellow jumper pin into the yellow socket. If you want to allow DC or AISG to pass from the high band port to the common port, you would insert the blue jumper into the blue socket. The last step is to screw the weather cap back into place. The combiner you have may use a different set of colors, so be sure to look at the DC switch configuration guide drawing to make the proper connection for your site. We recommend that you do not install the remaining two jumper pins, the white and red. Once the combiner has been properly configured, then it's time to physically mount the combiner to the tower.